सप्तमोऽध्यायः ॐ ध्यायेयं रत्नपीठे शुककलपठितम् शृण्वतीं श्यामलाङ्गीम् शृण्वती ॐ ध्यायेयं रत्नपीठे शुककलपठितं शृण्वतीं श्यामलाङ्गीम् न्यस्तै ओके सॉरी
रत्नपीठे शुककलपठितं शृण्वतीं श्यामलाङ्गीं
न्यस्तैकाङ्घ्रिं सरोजे न्यस्तैकाङ्घ्रिं सरोजे शशिशकलधरां वल्लकीं वादयन्तीं न्यस्तैकाङ्घ्रिं सरोजे शशिशकलधरां वल्लकीं वादयन्तीम्
न्यस्तैकाङ्घ्रिं सरोजे शशिशकलधरां वल्लकीं वादयन्तीं न्यस्तैकाङ्घ्रिं सरोजे शशिशकलधरां वल्लकीं वादयन्तीं
ध्यायेयं रत्नपीठे शुककलपठितं शृण्वतीं श्यामलाङ्गीं न्यस्तैकाङ्घ्रिं सरोजे शशिशकलधरां वल्लकीं वादयन्तीम्
ध्यायेयं रत्नपीठे शुककलपठितं शृण्वतीं श्यामलाङ्गीं न्यस्तैकाङ्घ्रिं सरोजे शशिशकलधरां वल्लकीं वादयन्तीम् ॐ ध्यायेयं रत्नपीठे शुककलपठितं शृण्वतीं श्यामलाङ्गीं न्यस्तैकाङ्घ्रिं सरोजे शशिशकलधरां वल्लकीं वादयन्तीं
कह्लाराबद्धमालां Kahlara. This thing always comes like, whether it is when, especially when yara, la, va, when all these things come, whether her should be pronounced before or after. There is always like dispute over that.
Yeah, we discussed one that.
Yeah,
Brahma and Brahma.
Brahma and Brahma. Brahma.
That is Hage Mavatu. Brahma. Here for La it is Ha.
No. All these things. There is no this thing that I also went through a lot about this, and I found out it is Kahlara.
Okay.
Kalhara no. Okay? It is Kahlara. So there is no discrimination in this, that it has to be said before that. I mean after that. I will send the sutram of that. After today class, I will send the sutram where it is clearly told there is no discrimination. Okay? Kahlara baddhamalam. Niyamita vilasat. चोलिकां रक्तवस्त्रां
Cholikam Raktavastram.
Sandhi has come there. Niyamita Vilasat Cholikam Raktavastram. Okay. When you say it together, it has to be Niyamita Vilasat Cholikam. Okay. Kahlara Baddhamalam Niyamita Vilasat Cholikam Raktavastram.
Kahlara Baddhamalam Niyamita Vilasat Cholikam Raktavastram. Kahlara Baddhamalam Niyamita Vilasat Cholikam Raktavastram.
Matangim Shankapatram.
Matangim Shankapatram. Matangim Shankapatram.
Madhura Madhumadam.
Madhura Madhumadam. Madhura Madhumadam.
Chitrakodbhasi Balam.
Chitrakodbhasi Bhalam. Chitrakodbhasi Bhalam.
Matangim Shankapatram. Madhura Madhumadam. Chitrakodbhasi Balam.
Matangim Shankapatram. Madhura Madhumadam. Chitrakodbhasi Bhalam. Matangim Shankapatram. Madhura Madhumadam. Chitrakodbhasi Bhalam.
Om Dhyayeyam Ratnapite Shukakalaphatitam Shrunvatim Shyamalangim Nyastaikangrim Saroje Sashishakaladharam Vallakim Vadayantim Kahlara Baddhamalam Niyamita Vilasat Cholikam Raktavastram Matangim Shankapatram Madhura Madhumadam Chitrakodbhasi Bhalam.
Om Dhyayeyam Ratnapite Shukakalapatitam Shrunvatim Shyamalangim Nyastaikangrim Saroje Shashishakaladharam Vallakim Vadayantim Kahlara Baddhamalam Niyamita Vilasat Cholikam Raktavastram Matangim Shankapatram Madhura Madhumadam Chitrakodbhasi Bhalam. Om Dhyayeyam Ratnapite Shukakalaphatitam Shrunvatim Shyamalangim Nyastaikangrim Saroje Shashishakaladharam Vallakim Vadayantim Kahlara Baddhamalam Niyamita Vilasat Cholikam Raktavastram Matangim Shankapatram Madhura Madhumadam Chitrakodbhasi Bhalam.
Dhyayeyam Ratnapite. I meditate on the one who is seated on a gem-studded throne. Dhyayeyam Ratnapite. Shukakala Patitam Shrunvati. Shukakala means parrot. Parrot is sitting near her right shoulder and is reciting Vedas all the time, scriptures all the time. Shrunvati, she is hearing that. Whatever is recited by the parrot. Shukakala Paditam. Shukakala means parrot. Shyamalangim, she is dark complexioned. Shyamalangim, she is dark complexioned. Nyastaikangrim Saroje. Anga means part. Anga means part. Here it is her limb, her foot, or only the big toe, because she is very delicately sitting, keeping her big toe on Saroje, on a lotus. She is keeping her foot. Nyastai, very closely she is keeping it on a lotus. Nyastai Kangrim Saroje. Sashi Shakala Dharam. Sashi Shakala again is moon. Shashi Shakala means very small moon, in the sense like it is a crescent moon, so it is not a full moon. So Sashi Shakala. Sashi Shakala means part or a fragment of moon. This is a very small crescent moon. She is wearing on her, adorning on her head. Vallakim Vadayanti. Vallaki means musical instrument. It normally means flute, but here we can say Matangi, so she is holding a veena. Veena, Vadayantim, she is playing the veena. She is playing the veena, Vadayantim. Nyastaikangrim Saroje Sashi Shakaladharam Vallakim Vadayantim. Kahlara Baddhamalam. She is wearing, Kalhara means the white lilies, Baddhamalam. The mala, the garland that is made of white lilies tied together. So she is wearing Kalhara Baddhamalam Niyamita Velasat Cholika. Niyamita means very tight. Niyamita Velasat means shining. Cholika, her blouse is very tight and compressing and shining. Vilasita Cholika. I am giving Dhyana Slokam, it is always Dhyana Slokams are important. So before you can visualize that. And so Kallara Baddhamala, she is wearing a garland of white lilies, and Niyamita Vilasat Cholika is the very tightly shining blouse. Rakta Vastram, her sari is red color. Rakta Vastram, red color sari. She's Matangi, she is Matangi. She is the daughter of sage Matanga, so she is called Matangi. Shankapatram, she is holding a Shankapatram, a vessel, a cup in the shape of Shankam. Shankapatram. Madhura Madhu Madham. Madhura Madhu, sweet. It is not honey, it is wine. Because here we are going to deal with Kali. Kali drinks only wine. Okay? Madhura Madhu Madham. Because her lips are stained with that wine, the sweet wine. And Madha means she's intoxicated. Intoxicated by the sweetness of the sweet wine. Chitrakot, Chitrakha Udbasi Bala. That is what it is split as. Chitrakha Udbasi Bala. Bala means forehead. Bala means forehead. Chitrakha means a mark or a paint. Udbasi, very prominent, which enhances her. What is that? Her Tilakaratnam. Her tilakam that she is wearing is very prominent in her forehead. So very probably shining. Because normally even during the beautiful part of Navavarna Puja we always enjoy is decorating her. Always decoration is something that is very close to my heart. So when you are one by one we take her to the Alopana Mandapa, we take her to the Bhushana Mandapa, everything. And come to the Bhushana Mandapa, we will describe she is wearing this stud and the drops and Kalanchanam and Adara Yavakam, even the lipstick. And we say Tilaka Ratnam. We don't put Tilakam there, we put a Ratnam as Tilakam. So it is beautifully done. So there is Chitrakha Udbhasi. Udbhasi means attractive, very appearing, very bright on the forehead. Her Chitrakha means mark or paint or kumkum or anything the tilakam that she is wearing is very attractive on her forehead. It's very prominent in her forehead. She is dark. Just how shining it must be. That is how you have to imagine. So I meditate on the one who is seated on a throne, gem-studded throne, who is hearing the words, the Shukakhali, the parrot reciting all the time. She's beautiful, dark complexioned one. And she has her foot very delicately placed on lotus. She is adorning a crescent moon on her head. and she's playing the veena. And she's wearing a white lily mala, wearing a very tight, shiny blouse and red color sari. She is Matangi. She's holding a Shankapatram in her hand, and her lips are stained with sweet wine, and her tilakam that she is wearing on her forehead is bright and prominent. This is what is the Dhyana Slokam. Remember it, it's a beautiful slokam it is. We will go through the thing because I just want to stop it here. Next one, as soon as we start, the Kali comes in. So we will have the introduction of the Kali, what we recite in Dev Mahatmya. And then I will give you the story of Kali as it comes in the Tripura Rahasya. What is the story of Kali? So it will, like, you hear it. It is a very nice story to hear. How? Because I want to know how ferocious is Kali is. Because Devi Mahatmyam deals with